Hi everyone, I finally received my Hobonichi, this yellow box over here. Well, this arrived quite late. It's because it was lost in transit between Japan and Peru. I ordered it on the 1st of December for the 5-year Hobonichi, and it got shipped out on the 8th, but it just arrived in Peru on the 10th, and 2 days later it's in my house. So I'm quite happy with it. I was so excited. I opened it before I realized I wanted to do a video, but I was so excited that I just opened it, and I just put it back just to show you what all came. This is the canvas bag that comes for the 5-year Hobonichi. This is my 5-year Hobonichi which I ordered. And this year I am going to the cousin size. I'm returning to the cousin size. This will be my journal, planning, art, creative outlet for this one here. I also ordered a simple black weekly Hobonichi. This is my first time using this. This will be my everyday carry journal. I'll be using it to make notes, my interesting thing, and keep this in my bag because it was 2 years ago. I was using the A5 and I made the mistake of carrying the A5 with me everywhere, and towards the end it became too heavy and bulky to carry it everywhere. But I love the week's layout, so I decided to go for the weekly supplement this time. And then we have the small nips and bibs over there, the extra paper, the pamphlets, which I'll be doing a scrapbook layout with all this stuff here. So I just wanted to show you my Hobonichi journey since 2015. I got this from Mitz, My Life Mitz, as a I won in the giveaway she had. That's the first year I started using Hobonichi, and I used it for the challenges and to do some doodling and everything, and I really loved it. So I decided to go big the following year, which is this one here, 2016. As you can see, it's quite fat and quite heavy, so I used it for planning, journaling and everything, and it was quite good, but as you can see, it became too heavy to walk with. So last year I decided to return to the A6, and I got a weekly supplements along with it, and it went well. I mean, I used stickers, I did doodle and everything, and I loved it. And this gave me the light bulb idea that I can return to the A5 because I love the A5 size. So I can return to the A5 size, have it at home, and then have my weekly supplements to my weeks to take with me everywhere and make notes down. I know the risk will be to have the monthlies layout on double because it'll have the same information, but I prefer to have it double than to have it only in one place and then realize that I won't be able to refer back to it later on. So I'm excited with these two, and I will do a once I've set it up, I will again do a flip through and also try to finish up the first 2 weeks in the Hobonichi to show you what I've been doing, because this year I got inspired by the Bible journaling people, and I've decided to go with my Bhagavad Gita scriptures and try to do some chapters here and there and try to go through it and see what happens. I'll see you next time with the update on my Hobonichi. I will be doing again a collage. I wanted to buy a cover on cover, but the cover that I wanted was out of stock and they will have no restock planned, and I took it as a sign that I will return to doing a collage, and I'll show you what collage I'll be doing this year. So thank you very much. Bye bye.